Good morning. Today, we're going to talk about the vertebrates. Did you know that animals make up the largest group of living things? It is estimated that there are 1,700,000 different kinds of living things, and 1,200,000 of them are animals. A fast way of grouping animals is based on the presence or absence of their backbones. Those with backbones are called vertebrates, and those without backbones are called invertebrates. Today, we're going to focus on vertebrates. As what I've mentioned, vertebrates are animals with backbones. Actually, vertebrate animals can be grouped into 5 smaller groups. They can be fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Let us have first the first small group of the vertebrates. Fish. Fishes are animals that absorb heat from outside or from the environment, or they can be called also as ectotherms. Fishes are also cold-blooded animals. Here are some examples. We have shark, mudfish, rainfish, and milkfish. So let us go on now into the second small group. Amphibians is the second small group of vertebrates. From the word itself, amphibians, amphi comes from the word which means boat. Bios means life, meaning that amphibians can live both in land and in water. Amphibians are also ectotherm animals, or animals that absorb heat from their environment. Best example, we have frog and toad. Third small group of the vertebrates, the reptiles. Reptiles are vertebrates with bodies covered with scales and are adapted on land and in water. The difference of reptiles from amphibians is that reptiles can live also in land and in water, but partly only in land and mostly in water. They are also ectotherm animals, or animals that absorb heat from their environment. Examples, we have green sea turtle, crocodile, snake, and monitor lizard. Now, for our fourth small group of the vertebrates, we have birds. Birds are vertebrates which are covered with feathers. But there are always an exception to their general rule. Most birds are adapted for flight, or animals that can fly, and others are flightless, or animals or birds that cannot fly. The first group of the example are the example of birds which are adapted for flight, or birds which can fly. And here, ostrich is the best example of bird which are included or which belong in the flightless birds, or birds which cannot fly.